Welcome back to another exciting video from ExamPadi. Today, we'll be learning some intriguing facts about air, and I'll be your paddy for this lesson. Come along with me. Have you ever wondered how we stay alive? Air is a composition of different gases which can be seen, and they are broken down into many tiny particles known as atoms and molecules. It's so interesting how important air is, although we can't see it. Here are some fun facts about air. Number 1, air has no definite shape or volume. Air is a clear gas, so it's very easy to compress and fill up spaces. This is why it's all around us. It has no senses, so we can't see it, touch it, or even eat it. The air we breathe is made up of two main gases, about 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen. Other gases include carbon dioxide and argon. Humans and animals breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. We use our mouths and entire respiratory system to breathe. Plants, on the other hand, breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. Plants breathe through what is called the stomata. We both need each other to stay alive. Apart from breathing, air has been useful for humans through technology. In the olden days, scientists and inventors used air for windmills which powered machines and farms. Air was also used to direct the movements of ships through their sails. Other cool things air helps us to do include providing energy, spreading pollination, controlling temperature, and combustion. As important as air is to life, unfortunately, air pollution is also becoming very rampant in the world. You may be wondering, what is air pollution? It's basically when dangerous and surplus chemicals and gases fill up the air, which cause damage to animals and plants. There are many causes of air pollution, which include wildfires, toxic fumes from the overuse of vehicles and factories, volcano eruptions, and even human waste from landfills. However, although air pollution is so bad in our environment now, there are many different ways we can reduce it. This includes using public transportation more and carpooling, reusing, reducing, and recycling regularly, conserving energy when not in use, and planting more trees around us. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you would like to learn more about air and how we can collectively protect it, subscribe to ExamPadi for more captivating videos. Bye!